In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the Amazon Online Arbitrage product research essentials. Things you need to be doing to maximize your sales, profits, and time as a beginner Amazon seller in 2024. These range from common things everyone does to some uncommon things that only really advanced sellers do that make a huge difference in maximizing profit over time. Subscribe to SellerAmp for more, and let's get right into the video. This is a really important video if you're looking to really get going with Amazon Online Arbitrage, and whether you're a beginner or already doing 10, 20, 30, 50, $100,000 per month, this is gonna be a helpful video in terms of breakdown useful online arbitrage tactics that you really need to be utilizing to maximize sales and profits. So to start off, a really important concept that a lot of beginners don't understand that more experienced sellers really utilize every day is the idea that very few products are going to be profitable at the advertised price that you look them up. Almost everything you're not gonna find at a profitable price, you're gonna make it a profitable price utilizing different coupons and discount codes and a lot of stuff I'm gonna talk about in this video. So to start off, a lot of websites have some sort of discount code, and we need to understand, find, utilize, and track them over time. So Merle Norman here, if we scroll down to the bottom of the screen, we can see if we join their email list, they give out a 15% coupon code. That's gonna be one of the main ways you're gonna be able to utilize coupon codes, is going to be account sign up and email sign up coupons, which you can actually utilize again and again using what's called a catch-all email, which you can set up via Namecheap. There's good YouTube tutorials on that. And textnow.com to get unlimited phone numbers for the occasional phone sign-up coupon that you're gonna run into. So email and account signups are one really, really important coupon source. Another one is just gonna be clicking around on Google. We just plugged in Foot Locker coupons on Google, and we can see the first result that comes up is a beautiful set of a couple different coupons we can utilize on their websites, on the Foot Locker website, again and again here. Another way is just gonna be asking the customer service on a specific website. You wouldn't think that this works, but it actually works a shocking amount, and it's something that if you go the extra mile and take the time to do, you're gonna be handsomely rewarded for. So I don't think this works with DTLR, but just an example of how you can find the customer service information and hit them up to get coupon codes. It's also important to note that there's a variety of free cashback and coupon extensions that you can use to get the stuff done. So if you're a beginner, it makes sense to go ahead and right now, just go right after this, download all of these free coupon extensions here. Coupon Birds, Rakuten, Be Frugal, Top Cashback, and Retail Me On. Those are completely free through the Google Chrome store. And what they do is when you come to a specific website, it pops up the different coupons that this website has. So that's it, some of the different coupons that the website has. It's not gonna show email or account signups, but this is incredibly useful information here that you can really be able to take advantage of over time. And then what I'd also recommend doing is building your own coupon database. That's a big theme in this video, is that the better organized and the more spreadsheets you're utilizing, the better results you're gonna get. So for example, Foot Locker, we know has a 20% coupon, and we get that via, yeah, here we go. So we opt in for text alerts, right? So it's a text sign up, and then we can see there's also a smaller one right here for 15% with Apple Pay if you wanna, not take the time to go ahead and do the phone numbers and such, right? So we can utilize this stuff again and again. In Merle Norman right here, we'd see 15% right here. So Merle Norman right here, 15%. And this email sign up at the bottom left. Right, so I'd recommend building out your own coupon database. It's gonna be incredibly helpful in terms of utilizing this stuff over time. The next essential that you need to be utilizing is going to be discounted gift cards. So the concept of buying discounted gift cards is the idea that if you buy a discounted gift card that's $100 in credit for Adidas.com for $93, that 7% goes directly to your bottom line, and that adds competitive advantage and lowers your buy cost compared to other sellers, which makes items a lot more profitable. So Cardbear is a really good aggregator website. Now, Cardbear does not show top cashback gift cards, which are really good as well. My 3 favorite places for discounted gift cards are Raise, Top Cashback, and Card Cash. And then Cardbear also aggregates the vast majority of them too. So we go in here and we search like Kohl's, for example. We can see there's a variety of different places that have discounted gift cards for Kohl's right now. So I'd really recommend, the cool thing is you can combine discounted gift cards and coupons very often. Also, you want to make accounts on as many different websites as possible, because then they're going to email you marketing materials when they have different sales going on, which will provide opportunity to manual source products as well. The next thing that you really want to be utilizing is just staying organized using product research spreadsheets. So we can see it. These Nike shorts are $20 on the Nike website. Over on Amazon, they're going for about $35. Add a $20 cost into $35, that leaves $2 profit and 10% return on investment, which is not quite good. However, it's close to being good, right? If we take a look at the charts down here, we can see in the past this has jumped up to $40. And at $40, that becomes a nice little flip, $6 profit. The Nike website has good cash back as well, which definitely helps that ROI, right? And this is the kind of thing where this is not good now, it has been good in the past, so it's almost good, it might be good in the future. So a lot of people take a lot of time to do product research and never end up maximizing the LTV or the lifetime value of their time because they're not keeping items organized that are almost good. So what you can do is you can set up the Google Sheets feature in SellerAmp, which you can just do on selleramp.com. And then this is an almost good lead right here. So if we export this out, one-click export, we can now see this item is over here waiting for us, 117 right there. And now we can come back and add in any notes, Nike.com close was good in November, for example, if that was the case, right there. And then you can stay organized with stuff, and either you, your friend group of Amazon sellers, which is a major hack to growing this stuff, is meeting other sellers on social media, the SellerAmp Facebook group, Discord, etc., right? And taking advantage of the stuff, and or you can check this once a week and such, and you really end up maximizing your time too. Another really good spreadsheet to set up is what's called an out of stock spreadsheet. We can see these are going for 41 on Amazon, and on Nike.com they're only 19. The problem is they're out of stock. So in this case, what we can do is just hop down here and boom, one-click export this, and now it automatically populates on the spreadsheet, and we can refresh this every now and again, because if this pops back in stock, which this is Nike.com, restocks fairly often, this becomes a good product. Right, so it's really important to keep this stuff organized and have some different spreadsheets set up. That's just done via going to selleramp.com and then going in the top right, hitting settings, then you can see sheets at the top. You can get that set up right there. I like the idea of having an almost good sheet, an out of stock spreadsheet, back to school, Q4. Any of your favorite retailers is going to be a good way to utilize that as well. And all of this stuff combines together, because the more coupons and sales you're finding, the more leads you're going to be able to find, then the more out of stock and almost good items you're going to find to stay organized on, right? Discounted gift cards are going to make more items profitable and such. And all of this combined is just doing a lot more than the average seller is doing, and that's going to allow you to get a lot more results than they're getting. The last thing is going to be actually making sure that your costs are correct in SellerAmp, which is going to be if you're using a prep center, your prep center cost, like mine, is $1 per unit. Or for example, I live in Florida, so if I want to ship to Florida, my sales tax is like 6.57% right here. So adding that in, make sure you don't do, or for sales tax, you do the MISC fee as a percent, not the actual amount. Some people really screw themselves by accident doing that. And then I like the idea of having inbound shipping cost at 40 cents per pound factored in as well. Over time, that's actually going to go lower, but as a newer seller, you're probably not optimizing your boxes perfectly, which makes sense because you're not buying big quantities of stuff. Over time, that is going to go down. My store averages right around 20 cents per pound for inbound shipping and such. So that's really important stuff. The big takeaways are going to be that staying organized and then tracking and utilizing discounts is going to be really the key to making online arbitrage profitable, a lot of products profitable, because you don't find something good, you make it good using sales, discounted gift cards, and coupons. The beautiful thing is a lot of those coupons are evergreen, like we've seen. So make sure you get these spreadsheets set up, get all the coupon extensions downloaded, and start utilizing some of the methods to find additional sales and burner email methods so you can get notified when different sales are going on. If you guys got any questions on any of the strategies we shared in this video, please let us know, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.